Hey guys, my name is Lily and welcome to my channel. Today I am going to be showing you guys slime and the slime that we're going to be selling. I have no idea what if you could determine one. Okay, so now, get off. Okay, so here's this one. It is Oreo slime. It's not made with real Oreos. Just hang on. Hi, I can see y'all in the mirror. So, I am not, it's not made with real Oreos. It just looks like it's white. Kind of looks gray now with black glitter. So, and it is a small slime that costs $1. It's very cheap. I don't have a large slime. The large slimes cost $5. And yes, they're pretty big, so I don't know if I can make a bubble with this. I'm probably going to fail. Oh, no. But, yeah. Let me do some ASMR. So, yeah, that's it for this slime. Then we move on to the next small slime. I'm not going to show you it. It's another. Geez, people ordered 3 Oreo slimes, so I don't have as much stuff I was gonna show you, but still, they stick to the lid sometimes. So just do this, and it'll just come off the lid. See, it's pretty much off the lid, and then get it out like this. And yes, they are plastic. But they work very, very good. And we got a bunch of those. So, what was that? But, it is a white cloud slime with some sparkles, if you want to see it up close. It's very, very, very good. And stretchy. So now I'm going to do some ASMR. And yes, it is butter slime. A lot of mine are butter slimes. Some of them are fluffy. But we make all types of slime. Butter slime, crunchy slime, cube slime, cloud slime. Whatever slime you would like. I have a snake, if you want to see it. I'll have to put it back up. Get off, snake! Snake! Oh my god. I swear, this snake. It's get off me! Okay, I got it. I put it back in its place. That is so funny. Y'all probably knew that I was a slime. See, it kind of looks like a snake, probably on camera. But, watch. Get off me, snake! Okay, now it's just annoying. So yeah, there's that slime. I barely did any ASMR, but yeah, there's that slime. Then we go on to this pink slime that has a bunch of stuff on it. What? That's a part of an Oreo slime. Ugh, are you right? But whatevs. Then there's hot pink, and it's very hot pinky. Oh geez, it sticks to the lid, and it doesn't. It's kind of hard to come off, but whatever. I know that. Oh, look, it's literally hanging just from the slime. That's how good the slime is. I don't know if that's good or bad. I might be able to make a bubble. Yes, I can. But it's going down. Because it's very tiny. Like it's the size of one of my hands. So, it's pretty much. I'm make a swirl. And okay, so now I need to get all this off the lid because it's very annoying, but whatever. I said whatever a lot, but whatever. Okay, now we go on to the medium slimes, and I want to do the pink one first because it's my total fave. It's butter slime, and look how good it is. Like, you can just see it, and you can just tell that it's so good. Yes, it's butter slime, and it's literally the best thing ever. Like, oh my gosh. Ah, it's so good. Like, I can't explain how good it is. The person who gets it is gonna feel how good it is, but like, that's why y'all need to come to our shop. If y'all subscribe, I'll put our number down. I'm just kidding. Our whole phone number would be out in the universe. I'll just send out our. Just kidding. And yes, we live in a small house. Oh, geez. Not a really big house, but it's not a small house where we live like a small house. We just live in a good house. It's pretty. The size of like a mansion, and it's way too small. Whatever. But it's enjoy. Like, this is made out of Gucci. Like, no, I'm not like that. Floor, but I'm not. I'm gonna make a. Why I'm doing it all the way up here is because you can see me in the mirror. So, like, pretty much, you're still watching me. But it's just upside down. I haven't been able to do this. Because I have nails on. It's so annoying. Okay, now I'm going to put it away. Sorry if you don't like it. You can skip on to another video if you hate slime. Then I go on to the last slime that I'm going to show you for today. Look how weird it looks. But I'm just saying, and my feelings. Now I'm going to do some ASMR. This one's very good at poking. It sounded like I farted. So yeah, that is that slime. And this is all. Let me close it before I say that. Okay. My camera. So this is all for today. So sorry about your cringe and my cringiness. And yeah, so this is how much slimes you saw today. So that is how much slimes you saw today. So, bye!